What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day or not, depending on where you're at. Hope it's awesome. And yes, we're back at it tonight. Market is actually having a little bit of a sell-off right now. Everyone's kind of freaking out. People are like, whoa, how far is this going to go? How far are we going to go down? What's going on? I can't believe this is happening. Everyone's freaking out. All I got to say is just be patient. Just be patient, my friends. We've anticipated this on the channel. If you've been following me for well over a month now, we've been talking about there being a dip and maybe being a little bit of a relief to everything that's been happening going into February. This is something that I expected to happen. How far does this dip go? I don't know, but we're going to continue to monitor it, and I will continue to tell you guys, just please be patient. Tomorrow's the futures are not looking good for tomorrow in terms of the stock market. The stock market is actually down. We'll look at that here in a minute. And I just want everyone to say, be patient out there. We are actually kind of expecting this to happen. We've been talking about it. Again, how far does it go? I did say about a 28% decrease, anywhere from a 25 to a 28%. And some of these were actually already there. Some of them were already almost to the 28%. So we'll definitely talk about those today. And before I jump into that, I just want to say what's up to everyone in here. We got Rami in the house here, Patrick, Seiko. We got Marco, or I said Martin. Good to see you, Martin. We got Mashburn. What's up, buddy? Robert. Andrew Brown, what's up, buddy? Good to see everyone in here. The chat is popping already, dude. You guys are hopping in here quick. We got Zeagle, Intrigue, ASMR Fan. What's up, ASMR Fan? Good to see you again. We got Chameleon up in here. What's up, buddy? We got Adam L. What's up? Carlos. My Ultra Journey. What's up, buddy? Happy Sunday to you, dude. James Bond. Rito Burrito. If I missed some of your guys' names, sorry, I'm scrolling really fast. Starlin's in the house here. Serious Bad. What is that? The Baddest Cat. Vincenzo. Frank. Good to see you guys. All right, so let's jump in here. Like I said, I'm going to try to catch up to the chat here. Good to see everyone. Toolbox, Sandra. All right, let's jump in. Got a lot of things to cover here. So one thing I want to show you guys is the markets for tomorrow are looking a little bit dim right now. And as you guys can see right here, I do not have my presentation up to share with you guys here. So let's do that real quick. There we go. Boom. All right. So you can see right here, the futures are actually not looking too good. You can see right here, the stocks have lowered ahead of key earnings week. So we do have an earnings week. As you guys know, Q4 is coming out. Q4 is coming out this week. And some people are a little freaked out that the earnings aren't going to be that good. Usually that's kind of what happens if the earnings are going to be, dude, what is going on? Why does it keep doing that? So you can see right here, we got to have Starbucks, Boeing, General Motors, Visa, Exxon in the upcoming weeks. Again, something to at least consider here. I don't know why that's doing that. So we're going to have some interesting days here. We got Meta, we got Microsoft, Tesla, Apple will all be released on Thursday. Again, I don't know what the future is going to hold for this, but we'll have to sort of see. It says China's PMI surprises factory activity contracts in January, December, and profits jump. So this is actually good from a China standpoint. So again, I guess if you just think from a global economy, that's pretty good. But XRP is declining pretty quickly right now, down to 295. I think a lot of this like I said, we want to get down here into the 382 level right here. So we are reaching that finally, breaking this this pressure up here. We finally broke down. And again, now we're going to try to find a floor here. Again, this is a good area, right? We want to begin with the 382. We want to get down here to the 0.5 maybe. We can look at H-bar. H-bar broke down past the 50 or the 0.5. My internet's a little laggy right now. So you can see right here that we did break down past the 5. I don't know what happened to my fib on this one. There it is. And we're almost breaking into the golden pocket. As you guys know, 31 is my number for right there. XLM has broke down. This actually is dipping down further than I thought it was going to. And for some reason, my trading view, everyone must be on the same trading view here. As you guys can see right here, XLM has dropped down. Come on, XLM has dropped down below the 40 marker and almost hit the 38 marker right there into the golden pocket right here. So we are actually in the golden pocket for XLM. So things are looking pretty crazy right now across the board, but we'll see if we can actually hit our numbers here. Why would anyone sell XRP? I think there's a lot of people out there day trading XRP, guys. So, it's not necessarily because, they're trying to sell the market. These are liquidation events here that try to create entry points and better swing trades for a lot of people. So, if you're looking at the same indicators and hoping, this had a lot of pressure built up right here. You can see right here at the 382 level, this has bounced back nicely. This is there's not a lot of support here though. You got to realize there's not a lot of support right here in terms of volume. The next level right here is probably at the 285 level, which again, it bounced off right here. So if it breaks through the 285 at any given point during the next day or so, we could have a free fall down to 255 right here, which again is this level of support. 255 is this is where I would definitely come in and swoop up if this actually happens. So where does that actually leave us? That leaves us right at 25, almost 25% dip. I did say 28% dip could happen here. That put us at 243 at the time of this. So again, monitor these. XRP has actually been really resilient to the fall here. Really, it's not that far down from its high up here at roughly 340. It's down about 12% right now, which still is a really, really good dip. Can it continue downward and get to that 25% dip that I was anticipating for it? I don't know. Again, it's a really, really resilient crypto right now, something I would not be shorting just because of that. But HBAR, however, is definitely dipping down pretty damn far from where it hit its height here back on January 16th. This cut went up to 40 cents. Now we're down roughly 20% as of right now. So about 8% away from where I projected, anywhere from 5 to 8% from where I projected of this to fall. XLM, this one actually is taking a bigger hit than I thought. This one right now is sitting about roughly 51 is where the height was back on January 16th. And this is down to roughly 23%. So 2% away from 25 and about roughly 5% away from the 28% fall of which we calculated. So we're pretty damn close. I mean, I've been saying anywhere from 25 to 28% is right around that. I mean, maybe it doesn't dip any more than 23. Maybe it stops at 23. I don't know. But I mean, it's definitely, these dips are coming in. So I personally, I'm kind of, this is kind of what I was expecting. I'm happy that it's kind of happening. I know some people don't want to hear that, but this is exactly where we can come in and swoop in and buy a lot of this. So I really do hope that HBAR continues downward here and it hits this. It's going to hit this 31 marker right here, almost reaching it. And I hope I can swoop in and buy some of that. That's kind of where I'm at right now. So I went on a major tangent right there. So I'm so sorry for that. Billion Right. What's up, buddy? Thank you so much for the $2, dude. Missed past couple streams. Glad to be here. Appreciate that you're here, buddy. Thank you so much for the $2 donation. I am super happy that you're here. And I'm on one tonight, man. I'm pumped and ready for this dip, dude. When I saw the red on the charts right here, I was like, oh my gosh, my eyes lit up with green, dude. I'm going to be honest with you. No, don't get too excited about red charts, but I mean, when you're swing trading, you're kind of like, hey, dude, like we're ready for it. You know what I mean? I'm buying more XRP on sale. Hell yeah, Sam. Heck yeah. What are the indicators on the right side? Oh, this is your volume indicators. So it just shows you where the volume is going in and out. You're in and outflow of volume across the board here. So right here, you can see 29 is a huge amount of volume and support for HBAR. So that's kind of what this is showing right here at this 29. So again, if we continue to have free fall, you could have major support here at the 20. It's about 29 exactly level. However, we're hoping that we catch some resistance here right in the middle of here, anywhere from 31 to 30 for HBAR. So yeah, that's kind of where it is. And same with XRP. You could look back here and you can look at where a major support of XRP is around 237, which again, if you look at that out here and you go all the way down to its level, that's about almost a 30% decrease. But that's a lot. I mean, 30% decrease, knowing that we have February coming up here. We know that February is a really good month for crypto. It's still 7 days away. Actually five days away from February. But it could be a couple days into February before we actually kickstart this pump back up. I mean, you go back and look at the history of crypto, and we'll continue. I mean, it's taken, like I said, 13 days from the time of inauguration for us to kickstart the movement back upward. And so right now we're about 6 days from inauguration. We have roughly anywhere from about four to 7 days before we really start to come out of it based off of previous history. So again, I don't know what the market's going to do. I'm not Nostradamus here, but I mean, I think that we've been talking about this for a while. So this is not unexpected. I don't think it caught anyone off guard that was here watching over the past month. I think a lot of us were anticipating this, and now we're here, waiting for it. And a lot of us have our buy orders in. A lot of us are going to continue to move forward with it, and I couldn't be more excited because I think a lot of us are going to be ready for February. So, yeah, patience is huge, guys. Patience is huge. Do you U.S. buying for reserves? They could. I don't know if they're going to be buying for it, but this could be the dip before they do that, right? I mean, you kind of want to create some areas to buy. I don't think they're selling to pay their taxes. No way. That was back in December, dude. Back in December is when you do that. Jesse B, what's up, buddy? I saw you another YouTuber who sent out a newsletter to his subscribers at 5 PST to buy his ACH, and at the exact time the ACH pumped and now dumped. It's so fishy. I don't even know what we're talking about, Daniel. To be honest with you, I don't even know what that means. I don't even know why I clicked on it. Oh man, Adam, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Sup, y'all? We got a great game on CBS right now. Yeah, I saw that there is a good game here. I'm watching it on ESPN right now. It's obviously the Bills and the KC, and the Bills are up by 1 point against KC. And I've been already watching all the unfairness and things like that, right? The crazy calls and stuff. So yeah, I was gonna fix my car, but gonna go buy the dip instead. Hell yeah, Shaman, that's what I'm talking about, buddy. Get in on those dips, bud. We got Pedro. Pedro, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend. Thank you so much. Make sure you join in that Discord, please. A team strong. Hell yeah, dude. I have renamed him from. Oh, you guys are fun. Oh, is that who it was? Ostradamus. XRP Dre. What's up, buddy? Dude, Jose, man. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team as well. You're officially now a member of the channel. Appreciate you a ton, dude. Thank you very, very much. Dude, for some reason, it's really freaking hot in here. Hold on 1 second. I don't know whether I'm just amped up or what, but like I'm like super freaking hot. Like I think a little bit of both, and I'm like ready to rock and roll. Today's been a good day. We got the dips coming in here. I think my adrenaline's going to know that I'm going to probably be buying a shit ton of crypto, so I'm just like ready for it. You know what I mean? What platform to do stop losses? Really anything. What's up? What's up, Big B? I mean, you could do any platform that has a lot of that. I mean, I use Coinbase Advanced. Is Tier 1 and A team membership the same? Yes. Yes, it is, Ron. That it is. This is market manipulation. Yeah, probably. I mean, yeah, most likely. Anytime there's dips like this, there's nothing out here. Like I said, the only thing that's out here from a news standpoint, I mean, China's looking good. Is just like right here. Even the stocks are down right now, dude. The Nasdaq's down almost 400 points today. The futures are crazy right now. People are anticipating that that the key earnings they're sketchy. On top of that, you got to see that coffee, crude oil, and cut flowers here are the Colombian goods you may be paying more for under Trump's tariffs. So again, people are worried about the tariff thing. I think that can play factor into this as well. As you guys know, President Trump did slap a 25% tariff on any goods coming in from Colombia. I mean, obviously, we probably import more coffee than anywhere from Colombia, including crude oil. But here we are. He's put a 25% sanction on them, and for not taking migrant flights. But we expected that to happen. I mean, he came out and said it. I mean, it was just a matter of when it was going to get pulled. And so I think that the markets are going to reflect this. We talked about it earlier on the stream, how this could negatively impact the markets. So again, I think the anticipation of this happening was there. Now it's just a matter of how deep this goes. And, it could pull back right now. Right? This could be the dip before we have a rip. You know what I mean? The dip before the rip. It could be right now. We'll have to continue to monitor this. You can see the RSI. Let me get Ron's. You can see right here on the RSI, the 4 hours on its way down. The 12-hour for here is already down and trending downward. The day chart is still trending down. Hasn't even broke down. It just went past the 20% on the RSI for H bar here. So H bar still probably has some room to go. I mean, typically we get down here, we get roughly down to the 7 to 8 range, and we're only at 19. So we still have we have a little bit to go there for H bar on the RSI for if we're going to trend the same here. You go back and look at XRP. XRP is actually down, and you can see even through here, these dips right here, we were roughly, let's go here. I mean, that's about a 31% dip right there. It doesn't look like much, but that is a 31% dip between here and here. And that went roughly from the December 3rd all the way until December 30th. So we went a whole month with that happening, right? So here we are up here. If we went down another 30%, let's just say we went down 31%, that would put us at 332. And that would put us at roughly, we're talking maybe, let's go here. Let's go about right there. So now I want to take this over. And it's going to go about right there. So that's going to put us about February 11th, right? Which again, we said roughly about 13 days, 13 to 13 days or so before we start to come up. So like 13 days, and then we start to work our way up. So based off the previous math here, and it's actually going to go right here because we want to go from the dip. Oh, no, we can go right here. We can go right from when this going up. So yeah, you're looking at roughly, give or take, about February 12th before we start to rip. And that could be basically what we see here for the next, that could be what happens here. I don't know. Like I said, I'm just looking at trends, looking at gaps, and we could very much do that, or we turn around and we do really well come here February. But usually it takes, like I said, 13 or so days. I think some might have been a little longer than the 13-day mark. So that would have put us about February 3rd or 4th, but this is showing February 12th based off the last measurements there. So yeah, I don't know, man. This is just, again, throwing numbers at a wall, seeing if they stick, dude. Tokilla in the house here. What's up, buddy? Hey, dude, I don't normally ask about shitcoins, but ACH is the next XCN. I have no idea, bro. I don't even know what ACH is. All I think about when I think of ACH is Alchemy Pay. Alchemy Pay is ACH to me. That's all when I think of ACH, I think of Alchemy Pay. I'm sorry, dude. That's what I think about when I get into ACH here. If you go type in ACH, I think of Alchemy Pay. So ACH, Alchemy Pay. I mean, unless he's shilling the hell out of Alchemy Pay. Is this the one right here? Is this the one he's hyping up right here? Is ACH? Is that what we're talking about? ACH, dude, this one, I actually made one of the most money I ever made on this was during this pump right here. This went up to actually 20. This pump doesn't show you here, but this went up to 21 cents up here. And I bought back down here back in the day for it was like almost like a cent. I think it was like 2 cents or something like that I bought it for. And this thing went up to 21 cents. Literally, it was the first time I ever 10x something. And I sold this way before SHIB did, way before I sold SHIB. That was my first one. I was driving down the road and I had to pull over because I had to sell because it was my biggest thing. If that's what we're talking about, hey, we're here for it, dude. ACH is, it's been around for a long time, dude. Pedro, what's up, bud? Thanks so much for the $2, dude. Should I sell Bitcoin and buy XRP? I think, again, I like Bitcoin. I would never sell my Bitcoin, but again, that's up to you to decide. I'm a big Bitcoin person, so I probably wouldn't sell it for my XRP. I would just continue to try to accumulate my XRP. I do think Bitcoin still has a place in crypto. I just wouldn't sell it right now because if you're selling it, you're basically giving it back to institutions. And if you're a decentralized person, you don't want to do that. So I started opening accounts, etc. Relearned how to do some stuff. All right, Darren. We got Linda in the house here. Linda, what's up, Linda? Good to see you. It's a family show. Don't get naked, bro. Never. Mom Dharma, what's up, man? Thank you, Austin, for doing live streams. Oh, I appreciate that. No, I appreciate you being here. I appreciate everyone being here, man. We got a Sunday night here. Market's looking crazy. Market's looking a little rough here. How far does this go? And I think that there's going to be a lot of money left on the table here. So again, be patient. Please be patient. Please keep following your indicators. Please understand what you're looking at in terms of your indicators. And again, you might buy here and then think about, oh crap, this dips down another 10% and I have to buy the dip again. This is a really good buying opportunity right here. You got to think we're only, and I say only, but even if this were to go down to where it was before, I mean, we're talking a 13% dip, which again is a lot, but we could overcome that dip pretty good. So be patient. That's all I gotta say. Just be patient. Oh, he tweeted about XR. Did he really? And then deleted it? Interesting. What crypto do you guys focus on? Mostly XRP, HBAR, XLM, that kind of stuff, dude. So the deeper it goes, the more I'll buy. Yeah. Hopefully some good news. I hope so too. We'll see what tomorrow brings. How can I buy HBAR? You can buy it on Coinbase. Coinbase is a good spot. That's where I buy it. That's where I bought it and transferred over to a lot of my stuff. President of Colombia has already responded and offered to send him his own planes to pick up the migrants. Dude, that's if that's true, dude. What a G, dude. Colombia changed their minds and sent planes to America. Oh, dude, that's so badass. That's awesome, dude. The dip before the rip. Yeah, mark that saying, dude. The dip before the rip. There we go. 240. All right, Big B. 240. I'm holding you to it, dude. Thanks for the financial advice. Just kidding, dude. Just kidding. LQC. Thank you so much for becoming a member of the A team, dude. You're officially now a member of the channel. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you guys so much, and welcome to the A team, buddy. Refs are working hard. It looks like it's a pretty good game, dude. I might have to turn it on here while I'm watching with you, while I'm on stream here, at least so I can anticipate what the hell's going on here. Let's see. All right, there we go. I'll put it right there. Is market manipulation? That's what we already expected. Yeah, dude. I mean, these are the kind of entry points that people want. You know what I mean? We've been talking about an entry point with XRP. Excuse me, dude. Oh man, I got the hiccups. But XRP has really been up here in this sell category. I mean, above the 236, you want to sell this thing. So here we are, and it's kind of come down here. And I mean, anything here below the 382 this is a deep retracement. So anything between the 382 and the 0.5 is a deeper retracement. Anything below the 0.5 to the 618 is a deep one. So again, I don't know how far this is going to go, but I do think that there's some opportunities here if it gets below the 382 level to start considering it. So this YouTuber called Economic, his last video, he said that he sent a newsletter to his subscribers. 2 minutes. Oh, so he's pumping. So this is the real ACH that he's pumping right here. Then is that what you're telling me? So this is what you're telling me right here. Is that right? So yeah, I mean, if that's what they're doing, if they're pumping it, I mean, dude, the ACH could go crazy, bro. I mean, this one went all the way to 21 cents, dude. All-time high was 21 cents. Let's see, all-time high was 19. Sorry, it was 19 cents, 75. And I think that's off actually, because I do remember it hitting 221. But I went from literally 1 cent, or I went from like 2 cents all the way up to 20 cents on ACH, dude. It was crazy. So yeah, this is one of my first like real big buys in crypto was ACH, dude. Alchemy Pay, dude. They I can't remember what the hell they do, dude. To be honest with you, it's been so long. It's been so long, dude. Seiko Hunt, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, dude. I sold my 600 XRP to buy XA and Toshi and already made more in one day than 1 month, dude. Hell yeah, Joe. That's awesome to hear, man. That's awesome to hear. XRP is coming down slightly right now. You can see we can go to the hour chart here. It is coming down over the last 6 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 hours. Damn. Last 8 hours, we have been in a downtrend. Lowest this got on this cycle right here was about 294. So we'll continue to monitor this and see how this ends. We do know that I want to say that the 12-hour, the 4-hour chart comes here at about 16, about 20. So that's what, about 8 o'clock, right? Is that 8 o'clock? Yeah, 8 o'clock. So about an hour and a half, the next 4-hour candle will come. I think the 12-hour candle just hit, right? 16, no. Yeah, it just hit. I think the new 12-hour candle just hit at 16. So that's about 4 o'clock. So, yeah, we just had a brand new candle that hit for that of XRP. So we'll continue to monitor these things and see what happens here. Daddy, we go shopping. ACH sounds like a pain. I miss all the 500%, but don't. Yeah, Crypto Karen, what do you do? What site did you use for the hour chart? Oh, this is TradingView. TradingView. I'm so sick of hearing about XCN. What's up, that guy? What's going on, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you, dude. Careful on ACH. Treat it like a meme coin. I mean, it's ranked 300. This thing used to be ranked in the top 100 for a long time there, but it ended up falling off the map. So that's kind of what it is. Yeah, try not to FOMO, dude. Be patient, please. Be patient. FOMC meeting, that's what why sell off, boys. We don't have an FOMC meeting this month, dude. In February, we won't have an FOMC meeting. So, yeah. Definitely we don't have there. Is it market manipulation? Very well could be. Right. Okay. What are you using for the charts? It's TradingView. For all the people calling, do your research on the token before you do it. Yeah, definitely. You got to do your research before these things happen, dude. Don't blame Economic Ninja. I don't know him. I have no idea. I have never met him. Again, no one's pushing the sell button but you. Or sorry, no one's pushing the buy button but you. So yeah, it's not his thing. I know that sounds crazy, but I mean, we have to take self accountability here. we're all adults here, except the people over in the unfiltered chat during that time frame. That's the only time we're not adults. Okay. Just kidding. Intrigued. Thanks so much for the $2, bud. Living in a van down by the river. Hell yeah, dude. I'm cool with that, man. Living in a van down by the river, dude. I see those vans. Dude. Those vans are nice, bro. And thanks so much for the $2. Those vans are nice, dude. Some of those vans that people are living in and like doing their things is badass. Did you see Brad's tweet about it being a slow weekend for a few hours ago? I did not. I just got back. We got back from soccer and we had to go shopping for school. So I actually haven't caught up to anything. I just came upstairs, got on board. Oh yeah, slow weekend. Anything exciting happen? What a G, dude. That's actually pretty funny. Anything exciting happen? No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Nothing exciting. Everything's sideways, going downward. Uh, I did not. People are saying that Elon came out and tweeted. I'm sure if I went to this homepage, people probably will see if people actually put they want to put the tweet up. Usually they retweet it if they took a screenshot of it. Not looking like it. Uh, yeah, I don't see it anywhere on here. I love this chart though. Look at that, dude. February is looking solid, guys. Ooh, February is looking good, man. February is gonna look good. Let me get out there. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. I converted my 10 XCM into XRP. Man, I was hoping for a deal. Hey, dude. When did you convert it? Am I naked from the waist down? No. I got shorts on, dude. See? I got shorts on. The game is a nice distraction. Yeah, I mean, the Bills are about to score right now, 22-29. Bills are, I guess I would put them at 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, they'll tie the game. Oh, crap, man. That was a bad throw. Are they going to go for it or what? Good to see you bought a bag of Spell. All right, Carrie. Is XRP Elon tweet legit? I have no idea. I can't seem to find it. Usually people will put it out there, but Intrigue, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. If Intrigue gifted you a membership, please say thank you to him. And those 5 new members, welcome to the A team. You're officially now a part of the channel. And welcome, my friends. It's always market manipulation. They're selling because of executive orders. It's some weasel from the elites. All right. I appreciate you, Terry. And Intrigue, thanks again so much for the 5 gifted donations, dude. For Bob Fox, dude, thank you so much for the $2, dude. How do you think we go into XRP? How low do you think we go into XRP? Oh, dude, they just scored. Like I said, I think you can look at the chart here. Like I said, just look at the indicators. I don't know how far it's going to go, but we can take a crack at it. And let's go to this one. This one has the lines on here. So like I said, you can look at the volume over here where the levels of support are. We know that last time we touched it here, right around the 282 level. There's actually some pretty decent. There's a little bit of some volume right here, which is where it bounced off of at the 382 level. If you look right here around the 267, there's actually some pretty decent leveling right here on the 265-ish, which again would put it below the 0.5 on the Fibonacci chart. Anything dipping down to the 0.5 is a deep retracement. And then anything below that obviously is a deep retracement. So the next big level down here, I think, is right here around the 255 level, which is right above the golden pocket. And then they're saying right here that the largest amount of volume is around the 240 level. And if you actually look at that from the time where this hit around $3.40, we'll say that, okay, this next level of support right here puts us about a 22% retracement. The next level at 255 puts us about almost a 25% retracement. And then the last one right down here puts us about a 28% retracement. And again, if you go back and look at the history of our dips in this market, so again, this is just looking at the previous history. We can actually zoom in here. We can zoom in right here, and you can see, look at that. Last dip we had right here was 25. Last dip we had right here was 28. Last dip we had right here was 28. So again, if you want to come back up here to these right here, we can see that this dip right here wasn't that far, about a 16% dip, right? And then, so again, if you go back to previous history, we could say 25 would put us, again, at the 255 marker, and then 28 would put us right around the 245 marker. So somewhere in this ballpark, probably it could dip to if we continue to have negative pressure on the market. And so I guess that could be the furthest we go down. Again, will we get down there? I don't know. I'm just looking at previous dips and calculations of where we were at before. You can even go back and look over here on these previous dips in here. We had some pretty good market dips as well. Look at this one. About a 21% dip right there before we carried back up. So it could do something like that. A 21% dip would put us roughly about 268, which puts us right below the 0.5 on the fib right here. And again, that is a good level. That is a buy zone. So just realize that anything above or below the 0.5 is a deep retracement. Anything down here by the 618 and the 65 is a deep retracement. So these are buy zones in here. If it does get in here, again, I don't know how far it's going to go down, but they technically are buy zones based off what fib is telling us. So just be cautious of that, and just understand that that's kind of what those levels mean. So again, it's up to you to decide what's best for you, and to each our own on this, and God be with you. May the force be with you. Seiko Hunt, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to you. Or thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. Appreciate you a ton. Those 5 new members, please say thank you to Seiko and welcome to the A team. You're officially now part of the channel, and I appreciate that a ton, dude. Thank you so much, man. And I'm super far behind. ACH has as much of a chance with this project doing it. Yeah, dude, ACH has a good shot. I mean, you know, it pumped last bull run for sure, dude. I mean, it went up. It's literally a 10x from where it's at right now. Like, no joke. If this is the one we're talking about, you're talking like easily probably a 7 to 714. It's actually close to like a 6x from where it's at right now to hit all-time highs. The first of many Trump dumps. I think it's just happening because we've had just a lot of. I mean, look at Bitcoin, dude. Bitcoin has been it's been in a sell zone for. This thing actually went up here, and it's been in the sell zone since inauguration. So you can see based off the Fibonacci right here, this is not, you don't want to, this is a sell zone up here. So people are selling up here. You want this retracement to come back down. And again, down here at the 99, there's a lot of support, but I mean, look at where the support's at. It's probably going to come down to 97 right here and rest along this line right here, which again, would be a deeper retracement on this, almost to the 618. So, you know, if you go back and look at the history of Bitcoin dipping, we go back and let's look at the previous dips here, right? 8% dip, 6% dip. You know, we continued over here. This dip right here was roughly about a 14% dip. What's this dip right here? This dip right here was roughly about almost a 12% dip right there. And so we're saying, okay, so where could the dip go from here? Let's say that it could be 8. That puts us about 100,000. 10% dip puts us about 97, and a 12% dip puts us about 96, which is right at the bottom of the 6.5, or right at the top of the 6.5 level, right in the golden pocket there. So again, that could very likely happen and play out. So don't think that those things can't happen in a market like this. So yeah, definitely watch out for that. You 10x Alchemy Pay? Yeah, I did back in the bull run, bro. 100%. Yeah, 100% did. That tells you how far behind I'm on the chat. Solomon sees Assassin. Thanks so much for the $2, dude. Should I buy XRP now? You know, it's up to you. It's technically, I mean, Fibonacci is telling us that it's in a buy zone right now. This is a light buy zone. You know, when it's up here, this is kind of like a lighter buy zone. It's a retracement. This right here and here is like technically the deep retracement. This is, if you're swing trading, this is kind of where you want it to be. This is like juicy up in this 0.5. And so you have to continue to watch this. But I mean, if you're trying to accumulate and you're not looking for a swing trade, you know, I think any time to purchase, just like a Michael Saylor strategy of buying anywhere, you know, can benefit you in the long run versus trying to play the dips. Oh, excuse me. Let's see here. I blame my dinner for this dip. Tokilla, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Yo, I'm about to have a stroke. ACH is pumping. Linda has a feet pick soon when it pumps. You guys are crazy, bro. I appreciate your $5, Tokilla. You guys are awesome, dude. I'm converted everything into XRP. Okay, damn, bro. Do the Elon is legit? I have no idea if that's legit or not, dude. I don't know if that's legit or not, to be honest with you. It was up for 20 seconds before being deleted. Okay, so I guess maybe it was up before there. I'm sure people will probably retweet about it for sure. It is not real. Okay, so the union guy says XRP thing is not real. What do you mean you lost your gains, dude? Did you not set any stop losses? I'm completely new to crypto. Well, welcome, John. Welcome, John. Let's go Bills. Yeah, we want the Bills to win for sure. We want the Bills to win. Oh, man, what a strike. What a strike. I got to say, what a strike right there. 225, 225. Yeah, right, Hopium. XRP is dead. You guys are killing me, dude. XRP is dead. Come on. It dips like 6% and XRP is dead. You guys are killing me, dude. It's down to 94 though, dude. This is it is coming down. So we'll see how this continues to play out on the day. Graph chart of Bitcoin and XRP are almost the same. How do they control it? Dude, just buy orders, bot trading, a lot of that kind of stuff. So yeah, you just gotta be aware of that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? Bot trading is a big thing. You know, a lot of people are bot trading this stuff up, dude. What's up, Christy? Hello, everyone. Good to see you. Let's see, Martin. Thanks so much for the $2, dude. 2,000K views, only 15 likes. Damn. Yeah, hit that like button. Appreciate you guys for you know, trying to knock me up in the algorithm there with the likes. You guys are awesome. So thank you very much. AMA, did you not connect to the Discord? Yeah, you got to connect to the Discord. Linda says, like the stream, y'all. Appreciate that. feel free to give your XRP since it's dead. Yeah, right. Yeah, you can send it to this wallet right here if you want. Please feel free to send it this way, okay? uh, all markets tank tomorrow due to Trump's lack of clear economic policies and starting a trade war with an ally. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. Elon accounts got hacked. No way, dude. That was so. He didn't do a 2FA. He did. He was like the SEC on the Bitcoin ETF. Where's the support for XLM? All right, dude. We'll look at XLM here. So let's take a look at XLM here. You can actually see the buy orders that are here. First one was sitting here at 40. It blew past the 40. So next one is down here at the 0.38. And again, this can continue down. We are already almost to, roughly that would put us at a 25 at the 3.8 right there. A 28 would put us at roughly about the 3.6. And again, you can look at the previous dips over here. This dip right here came down. This dip right here came down roughly about almost a 40% dip from there, which is crazy. Then this one came down and was roughly about a 30% dip. So again, XLM seems to dip a lot harder. So, I mean, this could come down. If it's 30% dip, we're talking, 36. It could come down if we keep this sell marker going down. So I'm probably going to move my next one down right here from 38. If this keeps dipping down, we want to go about 36. Seems to be about where the next one is when we take these dips. So something to watch out for as well from if you're going to DCA into a position here. How do you feel about TradingView? I love TradingView app, dude. TradingView is huge. Huge market crash tomorrow. Only gold and silver. All right. Respect the fib. Yeah, trust your fib levels, dude. Honestly, trust them. You can see right here the largest support's up here around the 44. And what's crazy about this is that the 44 sits right here, and it's way down below. So this actually will probably create a nice little buying opportunity here in the coming days. So everything is down. Yeah, everything's coming down pretty hot right now. We can go look at the overall cryptocurrency market right now, and we can see that the entire cryptocurrency market is roughly down to 3.68%. Let's see how much has actually been liquidated. Yeah, look at the longs in on this, dude. Holy crap, dude. Look at the longs coming in right now. Holy crap, dude. 24 hour, there's 474 million longs versus 47 million shorts. Jeez. People are just getting their shorts hit, man. Big time. Gosh, dang. Yeah, look at the liquidation on here. Yeah, you got a lot of shorts that are hitting right now, dude. They'll pick back up here right around. Looks like what price is that? 100. It's probably going to come down. It's going to have a hard time getting past this. Damn, some people have 16 million and 100x leverage. Holy crap, dude. That's a lot of money in 100x leverages over here. Jeez, dude, Bitcoin could wreck some people right now. I'm not going to lie, dude. These longs are about to get wrecked. If Bitcoin goes down below 100,000, dude, these longs are going to get smoked. We're talking millions getting liquidated. Just here on the next level, which is at 100990, that's almost about to hit, dude. That is roughly about, 25 million in longs. You got another 47 million. So just, dude, if it hits like anywhere below this level right here, we're talking roughly like almost $400 million in just leverage trades right there, dude. That's insane. If it goes below 106,000. No, sorry, 100,600. It's going to liquidate a ton, dude. That's nuts. Brian, dude, thanks so much for the $5, dude. With this new dip, what do you think of AVAX since the last stream? You looked at it and it's breaking the 636 support. Yeah, I was just looking at the AVAX thing, dude. So, yeah, it definitely came down below this. And you can see now the next level. The next level is definitely probably trending down over here. Yeah, it definitely broke that support. Now it's trading inside the golden pocket. And last time it hit in here, it bounced back. So, this AVAX is definitely in for a nice little bounce back, though. Roughly down. I got to reset this, but roughly down, 36%, dude. That's crazy. Yeah, AVAX is something to watch right now. You can see a lot of support right down here. It's a 26 level. Right when if you zoom back and zoom back in, but right here, it definitely went down below this level here at the 36 level right here. That's pretty crazy. Wow. 36 is pretty good. So it's going to probably hover around this 36 marker right here. Yeah, do not panic sell. I would agree. Jack, this guy sell all his Bitcoin, Jack Mahler. Been a great day, to be honest. God is awesome. All right. Yeah, Ansem, I'm with you, man. How did nobody grab a screenshot? I don't think it's real, dude. They would do screenshots everywhere. Stop losses only work during the day. This sell is caused by China's DeepSeek AI. You're great. You're funny, man. Thoughts on quantum? It's the next thing, right? The new quantum computers. Austin, where can I use bots on my phone? There's probably a lot of places out there you could use bots, dude. Like for sure, Austin. What's up with the 3 Austins in Discord? I don't know. I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, there's a lot of scammers out there, so please be careful. DP, you wild, man. You wild, dude. I just DM'd you in Discord with a picture of Elon Musk tweet. Okay, let's pull it up here. Pull it up. Boom, boom. Let's see here. I don't see it. Why am I not seeing it? Yeah, I'm not seeing in Discord the message. Oh, did you at me in like a crypto chat or something? Is that what you did? Did you at me? I thought you sent me like a DM. Did you at me in a DM direct message? Huh. I'm not seeing it, dude. Let's see here. A team is the best team. Hell yeah, dude. Love you guys, man. You guys are all awesome. Is the market crashing? I think we're having a pullback for sure. I don't think we're not crashing. This is not a crash. XRP has already bounced back off to 94 and bounced back up to 297, 298 right now. So even people are still buying up this right here. My H bar goal is 31. So we'll see if this actually hits again. That's kind of a 25% decrease in the market at 31. Or no, it's a 22%. 25 would put us around 29, around a 30. Gosh, I keep bouncing between 31 and 30, dude. I'm having such decision making on whether I do 31 or 30. I had it in. I still have it in for 29.8. I should probably just keep it for 29.8. To be honest with you guys, I haven't changed it since. Let's go to my orders. Yeah, I still got my order in for 29.8. I'll probably just keep it there. I'll probably maybe buy another one at like 30 to 31, somewhere in there, and keep the other one at 29.8. I'll go to TradingView and put in the fibs. Yes. Madison, thanks so much for the $2. I'm nervous. I want to sell Pepe. You want to sell your Pepe? Yeah, that's a tough one to say, man. I still hold my Pepe. I'm still going to hold it through. Can you look at Spell? Hayden, thanks so much for the $5. I have no idea what Spell is. Is Spell like a meme coin or something? I have no idea what it is, bro. I appreciate the $5, but I have no idea what it is, dude. Spell ripping more. I mean, I've heard of Spell. I saw it actually on the liquidation chart, but I mean, I don't know anything about it. XRP going down to 275. I mean, dude, that would be a nice little dip for sure. 275 would be pretty cool. Important to have a long-term bag to know that when these things go down, you can buy a position and ride it back up and not sweat it. You all need to learn to protect your cash. That's the hardest, Shmuko. That's the hardest thing, man. Is people taking profits, people putting those stop losses in to secure your profits. Like, that's a hard thing to teach people. Eventually it'll click. It might take a few years for people to have it click in their mind, but I try to remind everyone every day to set their stop losses, especially when they're in the profits. Just in anticipation that the market does come down, just realize that you'll be able to re-enter into the market at some point and, get that money back. So, yeah. Let's see. Garland House speaks tomorrow. I guess it's going to be what it's going down. Awesome. Look at Sui. Total fire sale. Awesome buy. All right, Patrick, I'll pull up Sui real quick. We were looking at Sui earlier. Obviously, we are invested in Sui here. It's not my largest bag in crypto, but it's definitely, it's definitely come down. Damn. As that has left a pretty big fair value gap right there. How far is that down right now? Yeah, we're at a 30% dip with Sui. Holy crap, dude. Hey, Sui hasn't gone through. I mean, the thing is, this is Sui's first bull run, so it hasn't been tested through the bull run yet. So, there probably will be some sell pressure. And again, if it breaks through this 3-2 level. I mean, there's not a lot of support until it comes back down to about 250 mark right here. And you can see a lot of supports down here at around 175. So something to consider and watch out for. I bought it at like I think it was like 120, 150, I think is where I bought it at. So, I mean, if it starts selling down, I'm probably going to have to put a stop loss in this bad boy. I wasn't planning on that, but here we are. We're in the pro crypto era and it's low. Okay, the market will rebound. Oh, yeah, absolutely, Oklahoma Joe. I have no doubt in my mind that the market will rebound 100%. We're going into February. If you guys don't know, this is February's chart, dude. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years in the green, dude. And then the one in 2017, which is inauguration, was up almost 50%. Last inauguration went up about 8%. So typically, if you're going to hold long term for at least a month, it's showing us that roughly February and March are usually pretty damn good months going into the year. Not until the end of March where we'll actually begin to have a little bit of a sell-off. So it's just something you got to consider when you're looking at these charts. And yeah, Sui's definitely down, man. We're talking a 30% dip on Sui. That's pretty damn good. Damn, didn't realize it was doing that. XRP is still trying to fight off the bear right now, sitting around 296. It definitely dipped down to roughly around 294. So, serious question: how do we know that the run is not over and it's going to be a double bubble? Yeah, we don't know. You don't know that. I'd say that there's just a lot of positive things going into the market. I think that people have to adjust to what Trump's bringing to the office. I think that people are still nervous about the tariffs, and that's going to definitely affect the market big time. So those are things that you got to definitely consider. And, I'm going to be honest, man, we don't know what to expect. We know that there's probably some good things coming, but I think in the meantime, there could be some negative pressure as well. So just something to consider. We knew that these dips are going to come. It's just a matter of when. And it looks like we finally broke that. So, this was much anticipated. If you were following me on the channel for the last at least, 2-3 weeks, maybe even a month, I've been saying, at least since we got up in this level back on the 16th, so about 10 days ago, so a couple weeks ago, we talked about this and talked about where the anticipation should be. So I kind of was planning for this for a while. I was prepping the entire A team for it too. So should I just keep throwing money as it holds until it's greens? If you're trying to accumulate a bag, that's the best way you could probably do it, to be honest with you. And it looks like the Bills are probably going to lose the game. Chat, maybe y'all can answer. My liquidity is quite risky right now. Yeah, you got to be careful with liquidity for sure. FTX collapse was crash and it's got, dude. Yeah, that was the crash. Like, we're not even close to something like that. The pullback could last for up until I think I said February. What did I say? February 11th. If we went over previous, could be like February 10th or 11th. Yeah, probably about 10th or 11th, somewhere in that ballpark maybe. And it's just looking based off of previous highs and how long we were in a downtrend. And then how far we went up and how far we could be in a downtrend again. It doesn't mean it's going to be exactly the same. It just means that that's something we have to consider. So, something important to consider at least. I like XLM. I like XLM. So, sorry, I'm scrolling down pretty fast, dude. So if I missed your questions, I'm trying to answer as many questions as possible. So if I missed it, I am sorry about that. F around and find out. Yeah, what is support for Dogecoin? We can look for Dogecoin here. Dogecoin's coming down slightly, but it hasn't dipped too much, actually. It's actually shown a lot of support. This actually peaked over here on December 7th, came back up, and we're actually back down pretty good. You can see that the downturns have been roughly about 22%. Where's this dip right here? This is 25%. We're talking about roughly about 23 to 25%. So where are we at with Dogecoin right now? We're about 25% right now. Damn. So, it could probably consolidate somewhere around here and bounce back. So, something to at least look at. We could be a nice consolidation right here. The only thing we don't want to do is create a new low, which is like below this right here. So as long as we can stay above this, we're good. Here's the new low, something to consider. We don't want to create a new low right here to then create a lower high. So that's one thing we got to make sure we watch out for, is we don't want to create a new low. So that's where you don't want to come down below 235, or about roughly, you probably don't want to come down below, around this level. This 225 level is probably where you don't want to come down below that, because you're going to create a new low. So, those are kind of things you got to watch out for. Same here. You don't want to dip down here below around 25 on H bar. So somewhere down here to create a new high, right? We create a high, We create a new high, we create a lower high, and then we create a higher high. That's what we want to build out of. See the market's going red, so naturally I bought more coins. Chat, maybe y'all answer my liquidity. I thought I did. Might lose 100K if we tank extremes. Yeah, I mean, if you leverage traded, that's kind of scary. You know what I mean? Sell then buy. Will XRP keep going down? It very well could. Oh damn, dude. Bills are done. Bills. It's over for the Bills. I listen to you. Frankly, I will keep calm and buy more. All right, Lewis. Toshi, thanks so much for the $2, Madison. I think Toshi's a meme coin? I think people are making some good money off it, but yeah. Spell is a meme, and it's actually one of the only ones that are up right now. Oh, gotcha. All right. My ass. You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. See, I don't think anything out here is really, I don't think there's anything. Feel free to tag me in a post for Elon's tweet. Let's see here. Do I have message request? Let's see here. Boom, boom, boom. I don't see any. I don't see any messages. So yeah. If I missed some of your guys' comments, sorry. I'm gonna scroll down and try to catch up to you guys. I'm like 20 minutes behind. I feel trying to cause this. You think so? I don't think so. Buy XRP and eat ramen. You guys are good. I would not advise doing that. I bought a cheeseburger for $5. I was even happier when I bought the same cheeseburger for $2. Can you show us support for Algo? Yeah, definitely. We could look at Algo here. Algo's looking pretty similar to some of these, but yeah, you can see right now it has come down. It almost looks like Dogecoin's down roughly about 25%. So what did the previous ones show us? It's about a 35% dip right there. About a 25% dip right there. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty much right around where the dip's supposed to be for it. That's a 30% dip right there. A 30% dip right there. So yeah, we're probably thinking roughly about, you're probably thinking about a 30% dip on Algo. Puts it right around 34. Probably right around the 34 marker, 34, 35. Let's put a marker in there just for fun, see if it actually hits 35. Let's go 35. Boom, 35. Oops. 35 right there. So we'll put one there just for fun, see if it actually hits that level just for you guys. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at with it, guys. Doge is looking a little weak. Yeah, Doge is looking a little rough right now, but I mean, it'll work its way through it. 288 stop loss on XRP. Should I lower it? Miles, that's really tough to say, man. You know what I mean? I think that's a tough one unless I don't know where your profits are, your profit margins. What platform do you use? I use TradingView. I did. That's funny that he actually is going to think about creating one. Yeah, I think Dave Portnoy said he was going to create one too. I think I would probably buy Dave Portnoy's over Mark Cuban's. Where do I keep my coins after I buy them on an exchange? You can keep them in a cold storage. You can keep them, you can buy them on a ledger right here. You can put them into a hot wall. It's really up to you. Just got into crypto on the Trump coin. What coins platform should I be looking at? I mean, you should be looking at, since you're so new to it, you should just be focusing on centralized exchanges. It's probably your best bet, like a Coinbase or a Kraken or something like that. Intrigued. Thanks so much for the $2, dude. Pure on the phone. Can I buy PWT from the wallet? So the wallet, you got to think the wallet's still in testnet, so you got to wait for it to come onto mainnet. And then also the Wallet Connect on there, they're working with Wallet Connect to get the wallet onto Wallet Connect. So like when you go into that pre-sale for it, you got to actually click. You got to click where it says Connect Wallet, and it says like search for other wallets. So it's called Wallet Connect, and Pure Wallet's got to be added to Wallet Connect. So we're still waiting for that. It could be like a couple weeks out. So we'll see what happens. But no, you can't technically buy yet. I wouldn't advise it, I guess you could say. I'd probably wait. I would do it through like a SafePal through a MetaMask. So again, thank you so much for the $2, but that's the best way to do it for the pre-sale, dude. Let's see here. Will's ever Oskin ask Gronk. You want to ask Gronk about what? Oh, the Swift's still bullish. I mean, it looked good today, dude. It was still doing its thing. Motivational mindset. So thanks so much for the $2. So yeah, it's still doing its thing for sure. Yeah, can't wait. Motivational mindset. Yeah, thanks so much, man. I think it's still up there. Try sending you a screenshot on X, Austin. Oh, is it on X? Is where you sent me? Okay, my bad. I thought it was in Discord. You said. And I was like, okay. Let's see here. Let me go to my messages and see if I can pull it up here real quick. Oh, right here. Oh, so someone just okay. So it wasn't actually his picture of his tweet. It was Elon tweeted about XRP today, January 26, 2005 at 3:45 p.m. His tweet was thinking about buying more XRP. These dips are tempting. Yeah, I don't know, man. Do you think that's real? I don't know, bro. I don't know, dude. That's kind of crazy. James, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Check DMs again. Sorry in the Discord. Yeah, my bad, dude. I just saw it right there, and I'll check the DMs again. For some reason I don't see it in the DMs for some freaking reason. Kind of weird how it's not showing up here. Trav, I'll get to you at the end. I just saw Trav's message. Trav, I'll get to you after if you're on here live. I'll get to you after the live here about the pre-sale. Austin, sorry to be late to the party. Did you see the Elon's? I did just see it right there. So let me try to catch up to you guys here. You guys, no tax. Yeah, no taxes. I wonder if we see a reflection of that tomorrow. That's not a real Elon tweet. Yeah, I would agree. I don't think it's a really Elon tweet as well. I picked a bad week not to pay attention. You're good, bro. You're good, dude. What's up, Big Watch? Yeah, dude. I bought way too late. I'm glad this channel hasn't got bots. I know, dude. We fight those bots every day, man. Phantom just said deposits will be delayed several hours. I'm new to the channel. Oh, well, welcome, dude. Which hot wallet is best? I've really liked SafePal wallet right now. SafePal wallet's kind of the best one here. Austin, sorry, late to the party. Did you see? I did see it, dude. Yeah, Kraken's not bad. What's good? XXI? Good to see you, buddy. I don't know where to get bots on my phone for trading. You get to talk to that guy. That guy usually has all that stuff. So yeah, the market's like I said, we're going to continue to monitor the market here throughout the night. Obviously, continue to watch the RSIs, continue to watch where it's going here. So yeah, be careful of that. Arsenal, oh, thank you so much, man. Yeah, no, I appreciate that. Yeah, I don't think Trav's on here. I did see your message, Trav. If you're on here, I'll get to you once I get off the live stream. I'll talk with you about the pre-sale and how to do it. Did anyone else tweet from Ripple saying XRP is part of the National Reserve? I don't think so, Bob. I don't think so at all. Trent, I got a request from a fake Austin account. You better block them. Crypto's so bogus. What a joke. Hey, you got to play the game, bro. You got to play the game, dude. What's up, J Dubs? What's the pre-sale? There's a what's the pre-sale? I don't know. I guess how many people actually want to know about it? I don't know if I want to put it on here or not. It's up to you guys. You guys tell me. What do you think about Toshi? Do you think it will keep going up? Yeah, I posted in the D. Yeah, if you want to, I posted in the DGen channel, dude. Trey Nelson. What do you think about Sonic? Any thoughts on XCM, brother? And I don't really have a whole ton of thoughts on XCM. I mean, it's doing well for people. So yeah, can't be too disappointed about that. Pre-sale, yes. Maybe I should put a poll out there and see who wants to hear about a pre-sale and who doesn't. Members only. Keep it to members only. Bragging rights for life if you buy $3. Can you explain the process of pulling profit as things start to boom? Yeah, you can do it two ways. Just like how we DCA into a cycle, like you'll dollar cost average your way in. You could dollar cost average your way out too. Doesn't mean you have to try to time the top. You know what I mean? You could always continue to take profit on your way out. Whether that's 5%. So you're like, hey, dude, I think I'm going to start selling my bag, sell 5% of it. Then maybe next turn you do 10% of it. Then you continue down that path. So that's kind of the best way to do it. So yeah, that's kind of how you want, or you just wait and see what you hit your profit margins. Like, hey, my goal is to hit roughly $25,000 in profits this year, and when I hit that, I'm going to see where I'm at. I'm going to sell. So that's kind of where it's at, dude. Anyone else? Yeah, Litecoin or Aave, which is better? Well, I mean, Litecoin's about to get that ETF coming, dude. Romans, talk about the pre-sale. All right, I'll do this. I'll do this. How about I do this? Do you want me to cover? There, we can do that. I'll put a poll out there. I'll give it about 15 minutes and we'll see what happens here. That definitely answered the poll then. Let's see. Can you show support for Solana? Yes. Let's take a look at Solana here. So yeah, Solana's looking well, it's looking a little bit I mean, it's down pretty good. Let's take a look here real quick. I haven't pulled a fib on this, but down 20%. Wow. That's actually damn, dude. Damn. Okay. Let's pull a fib on this thing. You guys know I like my fibs. I like my retracements. It's definitely right there. It's definitely into a deep retracement, dude. It hit that 0.5. So we're definitely at a deep retracement right now. The RSIs are showing us at the bottom of the 12. The day chart's working its way down, dude. There's still a lot of room here for the day chart to work its way down. So I mean, this could actually come down even further. I mean, what does our last dip shout tell us here? Last dip. I mean, this last dip right here was roughly a 33% dip, not to include the dip there. So let's actually include that dip this time. I mean, that's a 35% dip, dude. If we hit a 35% dip, geez, dude. I mean, that puts us down on 191 again. So, you know, to say it's going to do, I mean, I'm saying 28 on average for a lot of these are about 28% dips if we continue down. So I'll put us about roughly around a 211, 212 mark. Let's put that in there. Let's do a horizontal line on this bad boy. I said about 28% dip on this. So we're talking roughly around a 211 mark. So we'll put that there. We'll track it. We'll see what happens here as it gets closer. We'll identify it better. Like I said, we're pretty far away from it, but that's a pretty, these are aggressive. These are very, very aggressive dips. I want to let you guys know that. Typically, you know, you want to be anywhere from anything below the 0.5. This is between the 382 and the 0.5 is a deep, this is already a deep, you know, dip right here. And then the 0.5 to a 0.68 is a deep, deep one. I mean, that's where real profit. And then right here in the, between the 618 and the 65 is like the golden pocket. Obviously that's golden opportunity. So anything down below this is like you know, it's extreme. So, you know, a 211, I mean, based off previous history in the dips, I mean, that could be where it's at. So, yeah. That's kind of crazy when you think about that. Damn, you guys are killing it with this freaking thing. How many people actually pulled this? Dude, 300 people have voted and 67% said yes. Damn, guys. Let's see here. What about Toshi? Yeah, Toshi's out there. Onks isn't looking hot. Is it coming down, Daniel? Yeah, dude, you guys set your stop losses, bro. Just set your stop losses, dude. Anyone there with the timeline on the Ripple lawsuit? April 7th is the date to set, dude. April 7th for the lawsuit, bro. Is I think the next one, and then April 16th, and then March, I think it's March 8th. But we're hoping that there's an actual settlement for XRP in April and or May, based off of what's been heard around the world. XRP cannot break 262. Anything above this mark is bullish, entering 3 to top. Yeah, I'm with you on that for sure. I'm definitely with you on that. So, what's the process? Should I buy XRP? I mean, I like I said, I think XRP has been lingering around this sell zone up here. Anything that in the 382, this is, I mean, fib it's a higher buy, but I mean, you can see right here, last time it bounced off the 382, it bounced right back up. So, you know, there's a lot of support in here, but if it breaks support, I mean, we have a little bit of a downturn right here, like I said, to about 278 rough, give or take. April 15th is the deadline. Was it April 15th? I might have messed up. Did I say April 7th? I thought it was XRP lawsuit deadline. Is it April? I might have said that wrong. Sorry, dude. I thought it was 7th in my head, but maybe you're right. Maybe it is the 15th. Let's see here. I thought I just read this today. I don't know exactly. I thought there was a. I could be wrong. I thought there was another date. I thought it was the 7th that they had to have an appeal in by, and if they didn't have the agreement to the schedule on April 7th, they didn't agree to it. Then there could be a missed opportunity with it. So that's kind of what I remember. Let's go XRP. That was earlier this morning too. Let's see here. Yeah, right here. Yeah, right here. It says The lawsuit of the Court of Appeals has issued a time-scheduled order for appeals filed in the long-running Ripple suit. It says the appeals court has asked for both parties to comply with the scheduled order, failing which may result in the dismissal of the appeal. And this has to be done by April 7th of 2025. So the SEC has to agree that they're going to continue the order moving forward. And if they don't actually do that, then then there'll be a dismissal of the appeal. So if, again, being that it's Paul Atkins in the new SEC, April 7th is actually a big day, because if they actually don't schedule the order here, then it could be a dismissal. So that's why I said April 7th could actually be a big day. So that's kind of where that came from, just to let you know. We'll have to sort of see what happens here. So what is HBAR, buy target, and XLM? I'm at a 29,380 for HBAR right now. I think it could hit anywhere in the 30 probably as well. I put a really aggressive buy, so you got to consider that as well. So yeah, we have we have 528 votes, 66% say yes. Damn. What pre-sale? Akeisha, what's going on? Yeah, you guys obviously want to know about the pre-sale. I could put it out there for you guys. Like I said, it's a pre-sale, it's a crypto, it's risky. It's always that. It's let's see here. Garcia, what's up, Miss Queef? What's up, Queef? What's up? Alex, thanks so much for the $2, dude. I honestly love all this red building the bag. Hell yeah, dude. I'm with you, bro. I'm with you, dude. 100%. What's that mean, pre-sale? It means you can buy the token before it gets released you can buy into a project, a crypto project, before it gets released out to the public. It's like a pre-sale to it all is what it is. I bought 7,770 tickets for this ride. Damn. Cool cat. You killing me, bro. You killing me, dude. Looks like XRP is on its way back up. Yeah, probably is, dude. It's 998 right there. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. But yeah, so the pre-sale, I'll put it up here right now just to get it out of the way so we can move on from it. It's going to be Pure Wallet, purewallet.ai. You can see right here, purewallet.ai. That's loading up right now. So this is a pre-sale that's coming out here. So this is the first wallet. This is the first wallet that's ever been released out here that is it's ISO certified blockchain wallet. It's gone through the certification, and it's a online. It's a hybrid wallet. So it's a hot wallet, it's a cold wallet, and you can make offline transactions. So there's 3 wallets in one here, and it's the first time you can actually have a cold storage wallet on your phone. So it'll be the first one that's out here. And this thing, you can actually download this on Apple and on Google. It is in testnet still for Google or for Apple, so it's still in testnet mode. So you got to, again, the full update should be released here roughly in about a week or two for actual full ready to charge. So again, you can connect your wallet right here, and right now this is kind of where it's at. So again, if that's something that interested you guys, this is kind of where it's at right now. Pre-sales, like I said, they're like anything. You gotta invest with or put your money in these and do your own research on them. They still are, like any other crypto out there. Even though I am close to the team right here on this and worked on the wallet myself, I physically and personally worked on this wallet myself. I went out to South Korea for 60 days and worked with the team out there to help create this and build it from the user interface and everything like that. So I am excited for it personally. I think this is actually pretty damn cool. Like I said, it's the first wallet that will actually have cold storage on your phone versus like having a device like this. So kind of a cool thing. And the token itself allows you to do a lot here. So here's the comparisons too of cold wallet comparisons versus hot wallet comparisons. So you can see where those things fall in. And yeah, it's really, really cool. And the one feature that I love the most about it is the offline capability. So you can actually transfer crypto in an offline state. And transferring crypto in an offline state actually is super fast. It has no fees. There's no gas fees, nothing. And it's super, super fast. So it's actually pretty damn cool. And then here's the benefits you get for owning the token. So one cool thing about it with the Pure chain that's going to be coming out here is that it has smart mining. So you'll be able to mine. So if you're into mining and stuff like that, then that's kind of what you can do. So which coins are allowed to be stored on it? Right now, these are the tokens that you can actually store. So you got like Bitcoin, Solana, Wrap Bitcoin, you got ETH, Dogecoin, Uniswap, Polygon, XRP. So here's the tokens that you can actually store on the cold storage right here, RLUSD. So there's a lot of things here that you can do. The one thing that I like is that this will just continue to grow. HBAR is going to be released here shortly for it, so you're going to be able to put Hedera here in about a couple weeks in the cold storage, and you'll be anything that's in the cold storage. You can also send offline. So yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Like I said, first time this has actually been out there. There's no other wallet. There will be no other wallet out there that has the cold storage capabilities on your phone. So again, up and coming wallet. It's just getting released, and I think that there's a lot of potential with it. So you can go up here, do your own research. There is a light paper right here if you want to. You can go open and look at the light paper, which tells you everything you need to know about it, the tokenomics to everything. But yeah, you can just connect your wallet right here. You can connect all wallets, SafePal, whatever you want to do. I already bought like $120 of it just to test it out, see what it was like. But yeah, that's kind of where it's at, guys. So yeah. And if you guys want to know more about it, just hit me up in a DM, and I'll definitely help you guys through it, or go to Discord. So yeah, definitely take a look if you guys like it. If you guys like that kind of stuff, I like kind of new tech like that. The technology is what's cool about it. It's mostly tech. So it's not like meme coin. It's not nothing like that. There's actually some tech behind it, which is kind of legit. So I kind of dig that kind of stuff. So if you're big into decentralization like me, big into keeping your stuff in hot wallets, being able to use offline technology, stuff like that, like that's kind of where I'm at. I dig that kind of technology. So I'll continue to watch for stuff like that. In that website, I put the website. I think I put the website here. I'll put it down here below. I'll actually put it in my description box, so you guys can just go over to my description if you guys like. I'll put the token in there as well. I'll put a Pure Wallet, a pre-sale, and it'll be in my description right there with the website. You can just click on there, add your wallet, make sure it's in ETH. So make sure you have ETH in your wallet. That's kind of what it is. So which exchange is best to buy meme coins? There's a lot out there, bro. There's a lot. Yeah, it's definitely replacing that XXI. Yep, it's going to be 100% on NS Labs. NS Labs will be releasing it XXI. They took full control, and they'll be releasing it 100%. Besides their Pure Coin, they'll be dropping the Pure Coin too. So if owning this token will allow you to get into when they drop their Pure Chain, which will be a mining proof of authority mining blockchain coming here hopefully in 2025. So that's basically where it's at, but we'll see if it happens. Is this app? I've already downloaded it, bro. It's been on my wallet. It's been on my phone. Yeah, it's safe to download, dude. Yeah, I have it right here. I'll show you. You can see right there. Well, you can see I downloaded it right here. Well, I guess you can't really see that. There you go. It's downloaded right there. So, and I've already transferred, again, it's in testnet. So just something you got to be aware of. It's going to be updated. There'll be another update coming out here because they had to get it onto the Apple Store through testnet. And then once it's ready to rock and roll here in about a week, we'll be able to do a lot more things on there. So one of the things that's going to be coming on that I'm super excited for with it is you'll be able to, there's going to be a DApp on there to be able to go in and purchase XRP stuff, like go to the XRPL. So we'll be able to purchase any XRP stuff through there. Yeah, I bought $120 worth of Pure Wallet token. So, you can go right here. I just connect my wallet right here and go to SafePal. And you can see, I wonder if that's the same wallet. Just a sec. I think that might be the different wallet here. Just a sec. Let me do I think I switched it to MetaMask. Hold on. Let's go to MetaMask. Let's connect that. Boom. So you can see right here, I did buy some just to test it out. So I bought 3,309 Pure Wallet tokens. So again, I just went in here. You say buy with crypto. You connect your wallet, and then just make sure you have enough ETH in there. That's your big thing. So just something to consider. If you max out your ETH, you have to have enough for gas. So let's see. Where do you buy the token? I put the link in my description box. Rhode Island. It's in the description box, dude. You can go in there, click on the link. Yeah, there's an offline storage, takes it off the blockchain, which is the switch of the button. I had to go in and get my pretzels and Fireball. Oh my God, Fireball. Yeah, can you connect your Pure Wallet to the pre-sale? Not yet, dude. Don't connect the Pure Wallet to the pre-sale yet. That you have to wait for the update because it's in testnet. So once it hit mainnet, which again mainnet puts it all online, then we'll start, man. We could do stuff like that. But basically, if you put it in there, it'll be on the blockchain, but it won't show because it's in testnet. So selling my Farcoin for PWT. All right. So each and the thing is that each so it's a countdown. Just to let you guys know, So there is a countdown on this. So each, it's right now there's 1 day, 4 hours and 45 minutes left to get it at 4 cents. Tomorrow, I don't know what it's going to be after that. I don't know if it goes up to like 4 cents, 5 or 5 cents. I don't know what they have in store. I don't know what the next level is going to be. We'll have to sort of see what it is. But yeah, this will be, it will go up in price every countdown. It goes up in price. So eventually, you could be buying it for 10 cents for, and for one PWT could equal 10 cents, 2 days or like 5 days or 6 days down the road. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see what this comes out with the team, what the team's doing. So what does it mean when you take crypto off the blockchain? I mean, it means what you do. You can move it off the blockchain. So they have, that's what their proprietary information is they will remove it from the blockchain into there's a pure chain. Basically there is the pure chain there's a blockchain built into the wallet here, which is the pure chain. And so the smart contract that is going to work with the pure chain goes off onto the pure chain. So basically what you're doing is you're taking it off of Ethereum's blockchain and you're moving it onto a pure chain, but it goes behind a wall that you literally can't see. And so when it goes into an offline setting, it's no longer on the Ethereum blockchain. It's on the pure chain behind a wall and you can't see it behind the wall. And so it's almost like you can move it across blockchains and you have no idea, like you can't follow it. So like if I move my money offline into an offline setting and I sent you $200 of Ethereum, no one can actually see that I sent you that $200. They can see that I had it and I had the $200, but it leaves and goes to you and you'll put it back on the blockchain and they can't track it. That's what makes it the offline stuff so badass. The Chiefs are cheaters. Let's see here. Hope this bloodbath is over tonight. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, dude, I freaking love XRP, dude. I'm going to be honest with you. This is the most resilient. I love the resiliency of XRP. Almost back to $3 here. So again, anytime we've dipped into this 382 level, we've done really, really well. So the more coins that come out, the harder to get the coins to grow because there's only so much money to go around. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, Jacob, it is pretty awesome, bro. You guys heard of Tornado Cash. Obviously, Tornado Cash was sanctioned. Now they become unsanctioned. So they're saying that using the contracts like that are still usable. So some people around the world can still use Tornado Cash. This is actually better than Tornado Cash because really what you're doing is you're just moving it. It's like going to a bank. You grab cash out of a bank and then no one knows what you do with that cash, right? No one knows what you do. Like if you go spend it on groceries or you go and you spend it on all this kind of stuff. No, and it's not my project. It's not my token or project. I want to make that very clear. PWT is not my token or project. This is another. This is NS Labs. They are a large institute out of South Korea. They are a research facility out of South Korea, and all they do is they work on blockchain and crypto technology. And they, like I said, this has been they've had this for a few years now, and they are coming to market with it. So yeah, this is kind of what it is. It's not mine. I want to make that very clear. It's not. I don't own it. I'm not the developer of it at all. It's NS Labs. Which again, you can look up NS Labs. You can follow them on their Twitter, Pure Wallet Plus, and you can see all the stuff that they got. They got invited to CES in Las Vegas a couple weeks ago, and so the South Korean government sent NS Labs over there to unveil the Pure Wallet and the Pure Chain. So that's what they were over in Vegas for CES. So yeah, it's the real deal, dude. I'm pretty freaking pumped. I said the F word almost. I'm pretty freaking pumped about it, to be honest with you guys. Oh, what's the name of the token? It's called PWT. It's Pure Wallet Token, Frankie. Pure Wallet Token. It's in my description box. You can take a look at it. But yeah, if you like that kind of stuff, like I said, it's decentralized. It's, any of these pre-sales, any of these cryptos, you guys know it, dude. They're risky plays. And it's no different than anything else out there. So again, do your research, look at it. I put the stuff down below in the description box. You can take a look at it on your free time if you'd like. Yes, they are, Darren. Yeah, they actually do a ton of work for the Korean government. Yep, 100%. They they work with the military. They do a lot of things over there. It's called KIT, Kumo Institute of Technology. It's like the MIT over here, but it's called KIT over in Korea. It's one of their number one technology institutes over there. And I went over there and I went over there and stayed on the campus for 60 days when working with NS Labs on this wallet. So yeah, super freaking cool, man. I just saw the market going on, man. Yeah, the market's taking a little bit of a tank, but the good thing here is that the resiliency of XRP. Look at even HBAR is taking a little bit of it's coming back nicely right now. So we'll have to sort of see how this plays out. Oh, my wall. Oh, man. Yeah. I hope all the solid people that helps them get this far will be able to win off the PWT. A lot of people got them along the way. Yeah, XXI, I'm with you, dude. I hope so too, man. I hope so too, dude. Do you have own ETH in order? Do you have to own ETH in order to use Pure Wallet? Just for the pre-sale, it's ETH to buy. So again, if you have if you want to, let's just say you want to buy $100 worth of it, you got to make sure you have enough for gas, because again, ETH has gas. So, if you buy it, you're going to have to pay for gas fees. So just make sure you have $110 or $115 if you're going to make that, so you can pay for your gas fees. Just because that's a big hiccup out there. Just let everyone know. This has Oz cussing. Sorry, dude. I'm all hyped up today, man. Not only is the charts looking juicy right now, I'm gonna be honest, dude. Here we're making a little bit of a comeback, guys. Here we go, making a little bit of a charge upward again. Can we have a little bit of some relief here? The 1 hour is looking like we're gonna have some relief. The 4 hours still looking a little rough, but anyone know what timing frame Austin uses on the chart? I use anywhere from the 1 hour, the 4 hour, the 12 hour, and the day chart, dude. Hopium is one hell of a drug. Hopium is one hell of a drug, bro. 100%, dude. Is XCN a buy? I don't even know where it's at right now. Is XCN tanking pretty hard right now? XCN, let's take a look. Well, it hasn't really came down so hard. You know what I mean? It's still doing pretty well. It's sitting around 37. I mean, that's kind of where it started last night, right? Around that same time frame, and went up. So yeah, it's not looking too bad. Can't find in the Pure Wallet when I type in on search. Type it in as one word, Frankie. Go to, or you can go to the website. Hey, Frankie, go into my description box. Click on the purewallet.ai website, and then you can click on the actual. You can click on the actual download right here. So you click on the download and it takes you here. So you can see it's right there. You can view it on the Mac stuff, or you can click on it and do it from the Google side. So it's on there, Pure Wallet, all one word. NS Labs is the creator of it right there. NS Labs Incorporated, which is out of Korea. So yeah, dude, XRP is definitely going back up. This is nice to see. H-bar back to 3.2. Could be in for a nice little swing trade here. Anytime we get back down to this level right here, we seem to have a nice little bounce back. So that'd be a nice little swing. XCN's pumping again. Hell yeah, dude. XDC is a fighter. Yeah, a lot of them are. Hey, what's up, Matty B? Good to see you, dude. It's the Pure Wallet, dude. You know the Pure Wallet. Do I trust enough to move my whole ledger over to it? Not in testnet. And plus, I do have Bitcoin. I have moved Bitcoin over to it to play around with it, and it holds my Bitcoin. But yeah, I think once it gets out there and you guys get a good feel for it and you feel that it's comfortable, I think everything new, you have to sort of walk your way into it for sure. But I do know that it's an offline setting, Tad, and I have seen it work. And yeah. And eventually, yeah, I probably could. The one thing that I tell everyone I stress about the most is when we leave the house, when we go on vacation, and I leave behind my ledger, and I'm always worried about something happening in the market, like an FTX thing, and it does kind of scare me that I do not have control of my money. I do have a large portion of this in here, and if something were to happen in the markets, like trying to get this off and selling it would be really, really hard because it's back here in a safe. And so that's kind of worries me. And so it is nice to have something like with you that allows you to access it and make that transaction on your phone. And so there's that for sure that I think is pretty badass. How do I connect Exodus wallet to the Pure Wallet? I think you have to go in, say connect wallet, say all wallets. I don't know. See if they actually Exodus. There you go. So there's the Exodus wallet. So all you got to do is just have your Exodus wallet, type it into connect wallet, go into all wallets, type in Exodus. And then you can click on the Exodus wallet right there. So yeah, it supports over, I think it's 420 plus wallets right now. So pretty good amount of wallets. Do you think, I don't even know what that is. Not sure Pure Wallet is in my area. Where are you at? Cool JS. Where are you at? Anyone around the world can buy it. It's decentralized right now. Buy more XRP now. Yeah. Yeah, XRP is doing pretty good. Back up to 301, dude. The resiliency is nice. We're having a nice little bounce back here. A little bit of a liquidation event. Now we're having a nice little turnaround here in the last hour or so. Yeah, I'm with you, Papa Don. I'm with you, Papa Don. But it's still a secondary device, right? I mean, you still have to have your card with you, your ring. But you're right. It's better. That is better than a Ledger. I'll give you that 100%. Drinking Red Bull. Hell yeah, dude. XRP at 224 average. Buy the dip and let it rip. Hell yeah, Francis. Anyone have strong insights on the Ledger stacks? Some people do have the Ledger stacks on here. I bought the hump. Tangent, pretty cool. Had some kinks a couple weeks ago, but still okay. Did it? Yeah, dude. That's my biggest issue, Tad. I stress like big time about that kind of stuff. Make sure you get the right Pure wallet. I got the wrong one at first. It is a P with a red dot. After it's So make sure you click. Just make sure you go to the one. Just go to the website and click on where it says download, and it'll take you to the right one. Versus trying to find it, you just go click on the one on the website right there. So yeah, and then this is actually their presentations at NS Labs was at the CES thing, which is pretty cool. Got to give them that. That's pretty badass. Hey, bro, do you think $3 will come back? The $3 has kind of been this has kind of been a nice little area right here. You can see last time we went down in this area, we bounced back. Every time we get into this area, we kind of bounce back above the 3, which is what we just did. I have a flex and tangent. Okay. You keep your password in your head. No, I have written down. Ledger stacks and flex would draw so much attention from greedy eyes. Yeah. Ignore my question about a week. Sorry. Oh no, you're good. You're good. Just DCA pump from here. I just bought another 5,000 XRP. Damn, bro. I have Hashpack and Phantom, so I could meme. You got that Hashpack going on. All right. Damn, so scary. Pure operators clearly states they are not custodians, placing responsibility on BitGo. Oh, damn. Jose, dude, thanks so much for becoming a member. Thanks so much for the $5 donation. I'm sweating bullets, but XRP is going to be 4 in February. We are correcting, but we're going to go to be at 4. Yeah, and if you believe that that's where it's going to be, then don't be deterred by that. You know what I mean? Like, stick to your guns and feel happy about that, and just try to accumulate. And don't let anyone sweat. I take this live stream to the max, 5% battery on my phone. Damn, Elliot, hell yeah, dude. Would you buy at this level of XRP? It's technically in a buy zone, dude. So it's not where I'm buying for XRP right now, because I'm going to actually chase a little bit bigger of a dip. And if it doesn't come, it doesn't come, because I have a larger bag that I've accumulated through the times. So again, I'm a little bit more aggressive with where my buys are. But this is an accumulating area right here. Anywhere in this area is a buy, and then anything down here is actually a deep dip. But these are good areas to purchase as well. As you can see right here with H bar, right, dipped into the green right here. These are really solid areas if you're trying to accumulate H bar at this level. So yeah. That's not me telling you. That's Fibonacci telling you. Someone tell me I need to do XRP 250 to 302. Kansas City Chiefs have to win it again. Oh, man. Seiko, thanks so much, dude. Thank you, A-Team, for all the likes and subscribers. Yeah, I appreciate you guys a ton, man, for all the everything you guys just being here and kicking it tonight. It's been awesome, dude. So just appreciate each and every one being here and kicking it with us tonight. Always fun. So thank you guys so much. I bought, I hope she bounces. Yeah, she did bounce pretty hot right now, dude. Back to the $3 range. So that's pretty badass. Should I buy Alchemist at 4 cents? I mean, I don't know, dude. Oh, JPEG, no problem, bud. JCam, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A-Team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you so much. Appreciate that a ton. You're awesome. Oh, let me take down the pre-sale thing, dude. We got damn, dude. In 30 minutes, we got 1,231 votes on the pre-sale. Dude, that's crazy. 63 say yes. I'm going to end the poll right now. Yeah, appreciate you guys all taking a look at the pre-sale. It's pretty badass. Pure Wallet, seen a few. Pure Wallet. You just go to the LL Cool. Just go to the website. I put the website in my description, so just go there and then click on the actual app right there. What are your thoughts on BTG? I don't know if I know what that is. More pre-sale likes the video. It's all good, dude. It's all good. I got ratioed out. Dude. I'm new to charting, but all the announcements are made and mass adoption occurs. Do previous years in chart dictate the mass adoptions? Yeah, they probably could. They probably still can place a factor in there. Awesome channel. Oh, J Cam, thanks so much, man. Appreciate you being here, and thanks so much for becoming a member, and appreciate the kind words. Hey, Leon, no problem, man. Is Uphold safe? I'm not a fan of Uphold, but I mean, a lot of people here actually use Uphold, so yeah, definitely legit. Let's see. I'm down 10,000. You're down 10,000, dude. Damn, bro. It'll come back, man. Don't sweat, dude. It'll come back for sure. Okay. Just be positive. Yo, Shaka, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. How long is long term? What do you mean when you say long term? What do you mean, like long term hold? I mean, shoot, we've been holding for like 3 years, dude. So that's long term to me. That's long term to me, bro. Steve, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Appreciate that a ton, man, and welcome, my friend. Yeah. Do you think H bar will hit? What do you think H bar will hit? I'm trying to get it at 31, bro. Tim, I'm trying to get it at 31 for my swing trade, but it's being resilient right now, which is okay. Technically, I should have bought right here. It seems like we get around this level here, around this 31 level, 31.3. We hit it a bunch of times right here, and I should have probably bought that knowing that there was going to be a bounce back. But again, I just kept my level at 29,380 and right here at 31. So. But these are aggressive. These are really aggressive. This is a deep fall, right? I mean, we're roughly almost like this is a really deep. We're down 20, almost 20. Well, now we're down roughly about 20%. So that's a pretty deep dive right there. You know what I mean? So you know, typically we do have some deeper falls like that. So not uncommon, but this is technically a buy zone for Fibonacci, and everyone's looking at the same chart. So. I got H bar 7 cents, dude. That's at 70 cents. You got 70.7 cents or 0.07 cents, Steve. 240 is a great buy. Yeah, right now 240 is a good buy. 100%. Thanks, Austin. Saved me from FOMO by watching stream. Oh, Carrie, that's awesome. I'm glad you did not FOMO, dude. Onks up 11% in the last hour. That's good, dude. I was stressing over a few cents on XRP and realized that I'm building bags. I listened to you, Austin, and just bought the dip. It was a gift, dude. Hell yeah, BB Goat. Pumped, man. Just accumulate, man. Accumulate, relax, and just realize that, you know, hopefully here and we'll be looking back going, hell yeah. Do you hold any Doge? I don't hold any Doge. I need your walkthrough on the PW thing. I have no wallet and all my bag is in Coinbase. Yeah, you'll have to open up a SafePal wallet. I use SafePal. I like SafePal the most. Patrick, are you on Discord, bro? Let me know if you're on Discord. Oh, it's 0.007. Okay, that made me feel a little better. Let me know if you're on Discord. I can definitely help you. We can definitely help you out over there. We have a lot of people over there that did it today. They could probably even help you out right now. Pure TV is super clean. So did we send the Colombians? I think that someone sent I think they said they sent the plane. Is everyone going to be investing in all the U.S. based coins? Yeah, probably. I'll do a SafePal wallet right now. Yeah, definitely do a SafePal wallet, and then just take take some ETH and take a small amount, like $10, and send it over to your Pure wallet just to make sure you feel comfortable sending it over to the Pure wallet. And then once you do that one time, you'll feel like, okay, I can do that, and then you can send a little bigger amount. And then you can actually connect your SafePal wallet to the website, and you'll be good to go there. Just got to make sure that whatever you do, you got to make sure you have enough Ethereum to cover your gas fees. So if you're going to spend like $500, you make sure you have like $525 or $515 to cover the gas fees. You can't max it out because it won't go through. You have to cover the gas. And then the airdrops are free. You don't have to pay for the airdrops or claims. So you should be good there. Is Binance US safe? Yeah, I wish they had Binance.us here, dude. Binance.us was the best exchange I had in Washington until they took it down, dude. So, yeah, yeah, super disappointed about Binance.us going down in the gutter, dude. For here in Washington, at least. Like and subscribe. Appreciate you, Seiko, dude. What's your favorite coin? I mean, XRP right now is, it's my third largest bag, but XRP, HBAR, XLM are kind of right there with us all. Appreciate you, Deb. Thank you so much. How do you calculate the gas on that? It'll tell you. It'll tell you what it is. When it goes back to your wallet, it'll say like, $13, whatever it is. We can actually look at gas right now. It's probably pretty low. What is GUI? What is it at right now? It's about $4, dude. It's cheap right now, dude. $4. That's a gift right now. Gosh dang, dude. Look at GUI, dude. $4.99. Dude, that is like a gift, guys. That's Ethereum right now. $4.99, dude. Take a snapshot of that. Holy crap. Yeah, it's gonna be cheap, dude. It'll be cheap, but just make sure you have enough. Just make sure you have enough. Was this market manipulation? To an extent, probably, for sure. What you said was pure Chinese to me. I'll help you out, man. Gas fees are a joke. I know. I hate them a lot too. So holding Pure Wallet has a chance to give us airdrops. Yeah. Well, they'll airdrop you the PWT, and then it helps you. You can be involved in other things as well. Yeah, for sure. I think the support for XRP is $2.95. I'm from Washington. Moved 3 years ago. Graham and Puyallup. Hell yeah, dude. Graham and Puyallup. Good old Graham and Puyallup, man. South Hill. Do the Puyallup. I just think about the fair, dude. That's all I think about. I can't believe it's no longer do the Puyallup. It's the Washington State Fair now. Kind of disappointing. Can you change the gas fees on the network as well? You can go lower. You can go low, mid, and high. Yeah, if you want it super fast, you can do higher. So slow is the cheapest gas fees. Yeah, definitely use slow if you want. Is that true that Robinhood is a bad to hold XRP? Some people say yes, some people don't. How to get the Pure Wallet token after buying? What's the airdrop mean? Yeah, they're going to airdrop you the token. So when the token launches, you'll get airdrop to the token. They'll get airdrop the PWT to your wallet upon launch. So you don't have to go stress about trying to buy it on Uniswap, wherever they launch it. I don't know where they're going to launch it. I think they might launch it on. I think there's a two that they're debating right now. I think Base is one, maybe. I think somewhere in there, or Ethereum. I mean, it could be Ethereum. I don't know. The team will have to come out and announce that. I think they put it in their light papers. Austin, I need help. I'm 15 and I just made 80K. How does tax work for me? Well, you're probably going to pay roughly around. That's badass, bro. If you're really 15 and you made 80K, dude, like you're a goat. You're the goat, dude. If you're really 15 and made 80K, god damn. I think your parents are going to have to claim that, bro. I think your parents are going to be the ones that have to claim that, not you. I mean, yeah, your dad's going to have to claim that, which would be about 30%, dude. So, you're talking about $24,000 of that needs to go to taxes. I like Kraken, yeah. You got into crypto in January, been learning from you, seeing I can do with 1,000 and start. 80% of my portfolio is XRP, HBAR, and excellent. Hell yeah, Johnny, dude, you're killing it, bro. If ETH-based token, yeah. Luis, dude, welcome to the A-Team. Thanks so much for becoming a member of the A-Team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Thank you so much, buddy, and welcome, my friend. Thank you so much, dude. That gas fees, go here to do this, go there, do that. Sometimes it's just too much. I know, country, I'm with you, dude. We just keep paying gas fees. Just keep paying gas. Bath and ETH for Pure Wallet is what I saw. There you go. Base and ETH. There you go. Yeah, that could be it, right? And Base isn't bad. Base is a really low fee, and it's a Coinbase. So yeah, a weird question: is Pure Wallet connected to Pure Talk, the cell phone? No, it's not. VBGo, it's not. He can claim himself untaxed, I believe. Really, John? I don't know the answer to it, dude. I gotta probably ask Dr. Degen that one. I don't know if I know the answer to it. His dad doesn't have to claim it. Okay, yeah, I don't know the answer to it, dude. So listen to the other chat. 15 years old, spend that shit. Are we expecting more pullback? I don't know. It's interesting to sort of see how this works out. So, yeah. We still distribution phase, lower lows. We'll see. I mean, dude, XRP has bounced back nicely right here. So we'll see how this keeps working. Any concerns with Ripple, RPCs, validators? Nah, not that I'm aware of. I'm not aware of that. Does it lead to concerns with being fully decentralized? I have no idea, dude. Going back up again? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know that, David. Chris, what's up, buddy? 10 to 37%. Johnny Blades. Thoughts on Swift? I mean, dude, it was doing well. We looked at today for Tim Shea brought it up, the mayor of crypto, and we took a little look at it. And I mean, it's doing well. Feel bad for you on the Binance deal. I have it here in California. Still, yeah, dude, that's badass. I wish I had it. I wish I had the Binance.us. It was such a good exchange for trading. Way better than Coinbase, dude. I'm definitely going to join Pure Wallet pre-sale. I've started the best wallet pre-sale for Pepe coins. Oh, damn, bro. Yeah, dude, the centralization is big, man. You got to think a lot of these banks are going to eventually go to buy. They're going to be going and buying up these wallets, guys. These wallets that are coming out are going to be, you know what I mean? Like these institutions are going to come buy these things up. That's my thought. I think that the wallets are kind of the key cog to a lot of these intermediary transactions. And you saw the other day with the executive order allowing banks to eventually enter into crypto. I definitely see a lot of them tapping into these wallets, dude. I don't know which ones, but I mean, there's probably a lot of them that are going to be out there getting purchased up by these banks. So that's kind of the next thing in my mind. Coinbase should be pursued, should be sued into oblivion. They suck. I mean, it's the only thing I have, dude. Coinbase is the only thing I have here in Washington. Washington's really Washington has really handcuffed us. Paramount, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Do you think Toshi's done or going to be? I have no idea, dude. Paramount, I haven't been following Toshi. Just people talking about it in the chat. Sounds like a lot of people have made a lot of money off of it, and I'm just happy that they did. That's all it comes down to. I didn't invest in it. I don't know anything about it, but I heard that they did really, really well with it. So I think so. Borishito, I think so, right? And especially, and it's not just banks here in the United States. We're talking banks around the world. We're talking South Korea. South Korea could tap into the wallet. I mean, they've worked closely with the government right now. So yeah, there's so many opportunities, especially with the offline transaction. It's the only wallet out there that allows offline transactions, and it's really fast. It's super quick. There's no gas fees involved, and that's the kind of stuff that these people want, especially when you're transferring Bitcoin across the world. You don't want to be paying. You want to be fast. You want to be secure, and you want to be cheap. And unfortunately, when you're transferring some of these things, they're not that way. So again, it's really mostly for cheap transactions like that are have no gas fees on it. What are you using besides Coinbase? The only other one I can use here is Crypto.com, Joe G. That's the only other exchange here that I can use, and I can use Uphold, but I choose not to use them. What do you guys like to cash out as Coinbase as the most reasonable options? Coinbase is pretty good about cashing out, though. Yeah. What are you talking about, Darren? Say what again? I'm in Washington, dude, Darren. What everyone wants? Yeah, exactly. I'm with you, Jacob. You're in Singapore? Damn. All right. That's pretty legit. I'm on the clock. Pay up. What's up, Professor? I'm new to crypto. What should I buy into? I think there's a lot of good cryptos out there. Just get your feet wet with the ones that you like, the ones that you like to follow and that you feel can do well. Listen in. The ones that we like here are XRP, HBAR, XLM. Austin, love the show and your advice. What are your thoughts on Chori's AI agent? I have AOS. I don't know what that is, dude. Coinbase has the usual suckiness of the crypto exchanges in the US. They should be fine. Dude, they kind of do lag on us a little bit, right? They kind of do take a toll. I mean, they're down. When everything pumps, they kind of like take a break. I thought you were in Singapore. No, I'm not. I wish I was in Singapore. That'd be fat. That'd be awesome, dude. Is Cardano a buy? We looked at it today. Cardano is a buy, technically where it's at right now. It could go a little bit further. I think we looked at it earlier this morning. Yeah, Cardano is definitely come down pretty hot. Look at that. Gosh, damn, dude. They are not playing around. Cardano is not playing around with their dip right now. Yeah, let's did I pull a fib on this today? I think I pulled a fib from here. Yeah, Cardano's definitely probably in a buy zone. Yeah, they're well below that. And even if I pull it back to this low right here, they're still and that's not really even a cycle right there. So yeah, they're definitely in a pull back. Yeah, they're definitely they retrace pretty hard, dude. There's a big retracement right there. So I mean, technically, this is a pretty big retracement zone. They're roughly down 20%. 30% there. 35% there. Gosh dang, dude. They're like dipping hard. When they dip, dude. 25% there where they at right now. I said 20%. Yeah, so I mean they could be down here, dude, in like the 80 right here, probably about the 88 mark, maybe to the roughly 80 mark, somewhere in that ballpark, dude. But yeah, that's technically a interesting zone right there for ADA. But H bar's coming, dude. I love XRP, dude. I love how tough this thing is, man. You can't shake XRP anymore, dude. You can't shake XRP. So if you connect MetaMask to buy Pure Wallet token, the tokens will just be dropped into the MetaMask when it launches. Yes, Rhode Island. And the thing is, if you want to see it, you just go back into Pure Wallet. You connect your wallet right here, and it's going to come over here, and you're going to connect the wallet, and it will still show you the tokens that you purchased on the website here. So it'll tell you how much tokens you have, so you know it's there, and you know that's going to go to the wallet, which has the address right there. And so you'll be able to see it there, and then, like I said, you'll be able to then, when the launch happens, the tokens will be dropped to the same wallet that you have right here, and you'll be good to go. And then again, you don't have to worry about like, trying to buy them at launch and stuff like that. XLM like that, dude. XLM's dip is crazy. Ripple uses Ripple protocol. Nice, dude. Link, dude. Link is nice, dude. Link was nice. Dot is in the buy zone. Is Dot? I have not bought Dot. Nathan, dude, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Appreciate you being here, dude, and welcome, my friend. Yeah, thank you so much, dude. Does that mean I can use it to do the pre-sale? What are you talking about, John? John Bone, what are you talking about? Count me out watching the Super Bowl. Has anyone noticed during the past month XRP gets a mini pump during around 4:45? Yeah, it does. It's usually at nighttime. 3 creators in this space that I would learn. Are you saying like you're talking like content creators, or are you talking like just like, are you talking like Brad Garland House, like that kind of, like, Vitalik Buterin, like that, those kind of people, or are you talking like actual influencers? I'm in Central Valley, California. Send us your water. Oh, damn. I hope you guys get more water, dude. Yeah, XRP is coming up now. My Tangent Wallet came in. Will that work to do the pre-sale? I don't know if Tangent Wallet actually connects to. You might have to do a hot wallet. I don't know if Tangent Wallet is on here. Let's disconnect. Let's see if Tangent's on here. I don't know if Tangent. Oh, look, Tangent Wallet is here, dude. Damn. Well, I wonder if Ledger's on here. Ledger. Let's see if Ledger's on here. I didn't even know if Ledger's on here. Shit, you could do Ledger Live. Damn, I didn't even know you could do that. So yeah, if you want to connect it and do it, you can definitely do it that way too. I did not know you could do that. Holy shit. So there you go. So yeah, I guess you can. Rami, dude, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Hi, brother. Hope you're having a great day. Can you check Ondo? Yeah, I'll check Ondo for you, buddy. We have Ondo on here. Ondo 132. It's actually been sort of resilient, dude. Okay. Let's go to the day chart here. Appreciate the $5, Rami. Thanks so much. Yeah, it's definitely down. This is actually in a retracement mode. Since December down here, we're down pretty far right now. So let's see how far we're down. About 38%. So let's do a trend base retracement. I mean, yeah, you're kind of in that zone, dude. Yeah, remember it's flipped now. So yeah, you're technically in a buy. This is technically a kind of a buy zone, right? You want to try to get up here. I mean, the further you get down here, this is kind of in the buys if you're trying to retrace this back, right? So, I mean, it's trying to get back up here into the above the 236 into the 382. So that's kind of what you want. But yeah, damn, it's definitely down. It's definitely trying to work its way back up. So Ondo's It's actually not that bad of a dip. 40%. If it comes back to where it was, that's a 40% clean out. That's a 40% cleanup right there. So we'll see. We'll see if it happens. Put me on some of the good pre-sale, bro. Jake Hopkins. It's in my description, dude. It's it's called it's purewallet.ai. I put it in my description box. You can click on there and do your thing. You can connect with a bunch of wallets, Jacob. Yeah, I just showed it on there. You can definitely click whatever one you want. Hey, bro, do you ever day trade live or most likely in the swing trades? I put my levels on here of where I'm going to buy, and then it buys. Right? It's set. I set it on my phone, on my Coinbase. So like I'm doing it live. I'm telling you guys where my buy zones are. I don't like show you. I mean, I don't connect my stuff. I don't like to connect my stuff on here, and plus it's all on my phone. So, but I usually tell you guys when I'm pretty on top of telling everyone here when I'm doing it. You want to invest in XRP? Yeah, that's great. I didn't know Ledger was on there. I'm gonna be honest. I was kind of like, oh shit, okay. Do you think the FOMC meeting will be this week? It's not this. We won't have the FOMC meeting is not going to be until March. The greater Seattle area, Nathan. Please learn about pre-sales and how they work, guys. NS Labs is a great company. Just saying, look into it, how it all works. Yeah, definitely. I appreciate that, XXI. Definitely, do your own research on this stuff and just realize, pre-sales are just as big of a risk as anything else out there. You are getting into a newer, a new cryptocurrency, a new token, and a new project. So just realize that as well. I think the bottom is 289. Nice. You're in the Tri-Cities? Oh, nice, dude. Yeah, I love the Tri-Cities, man. I'm assuming, maybe, what are you, Richland, Kennewick? Good luck, boys. Don't stress. We have more pumps to come. Hell yeah, Mr. Keith. I'm just trying to get enough to do some hunting, go buy some hunting land. Hell yeah, John. I'm with you, bud. I think the bottom is 289. What are your thoughts on exchange arbitrage? Worth doing? It's not worth doing, dude. It's not worth doing. You're in Arlington? Oh, nice. Arlington, Washington. Yeah, I worked out of Arlington. I did my internships out of Arlington out there. I worked for CMEX. It was Rinker Materials. Rinker Materials was originally, and then went to CMEX. But yeah, I went out there. I used to intern for them. So I interned for them 2 years in college. Testing out. I was an analyst for asphalt. So I tested with the DOT out there during my internships. How come the market's down? I think just a lot. You can see right here. I think this, with everything going on in the markets, futures are down and continue to grow, right? I mean, still looking not too hot. So I work in the Tri-Cities all the time. Nice, dude. XRP and HBAR holder since last March, Richland, Washington. Okay. Good old, you got the Hanford side over there, man. Good old Hanford. The Jet Bolt pre-sale just be a scam because they keep ignoring my comments on it. Oh, really? I don't even know what the hell that is, the Daker. The Jet Bolt. That's interesting. Queef, dude, thanks so much for the $2, bro. It's been an amazing educational weekend with you. Appreciate you guys. You guys have all been huge. Just, again, even in the Discord. We had like 45. We almost had like 50 people in the Discord last night in the voice chat. I was super impressed with how many people we had in the Discord just chatting up about crypto and everything, dude. It was a super great weekend in the Discord. So yeah, appreciate you guys a ton, dude. And thanks so much for the $2, Queef, as always. Quickly, what's the problem with the fees? What fees, Dallas? It's a great night to add to your bags. The possibilities are endless. True. I do want to say thank you to everyone for your advice. Oh yeah, no problem, dude. Exchange arbitrage is a scam. A lot of sponsored videos. Yeah, I would try to avoid the arbitrage stuff. Austin test. Are you Seahawk fans? Yeah, I mean, I root for the Seahawks for sure. I live in the Seattle area, so it's hard not to root for the Seahawks. But I really am an individual player fan because I play so much fantasy football. So I used to live in Seattle. My old business partner owns Uncle Ike's. Oh, damn! All right. So you know Seattle. Go Eagles. I used to live in Pasco. Nice, dude. Pasco's it's growing, dude. How often do you do this, Austin? I come on at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time every morning. Couple more. There'll be some times where I can't make it, and then usually every night on Mondays, and it'd be like Mondays, Thursdays, and Fridays. I usually try to come on every night. But soccer, I have on soccer with my daughters. I have on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So usually I don't do night streams, but I do morning streams at 10 a.m. every morning. So I very rarely miss those. Every once in a blue moon, I'll miss one, but yeah, I try to stick through them pretty good. Can you set a lower price sell order than the market price on Coinbase and act? Yeah, you can, Soul Jeffy. Yep, that's called a tracing stop. So you trace it and then you stop. It's like a tracing stop loss. You got one heck of a job, Wrap, by the way. What site do you find those longs and shorts? Oh, you can just go into crypto. You can just go into like Coinbase, bro. You just go to spot trades and what's up? Oh crap, I forgot. How often do you do lives, Austin? Yeah, I do it every night. Guys, I'll probably be on here for 5 more minutes. I totally forgot I had to help Fan with something, and I totally spaced it. Thanks. I had to pull the trigger on XRP. Yeah, hey, dude, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Are people here still salty for Sonics came to OKC? Yes, I'm still salty about that, dude. 100% Tad. Still salty about that. Photo with Trump meme doubled. I know, right? What's the point of the USD coin? I don't think there is. Dallas, join the A team. You found the best crypto space. Austin A team. Oh, I appreciate you, Zeagle. You work picking apples. Nice. That's not an easy job, dude. Let's see. Crypto YouTubers should have all the hardware wallets to give their opinions on. Why be cheap about it? Well, I mean, when you only like the one that works for you, there's no reason to buy another one if you just continue to use the one that you use. I mean, there's been no other reason to buy another cold storage. But I do agree that I do want to get the Tangent for sure. I definitely want to give that a shot. See what it's like. I don't know if I'd move a whole lot over there, but I mean, I definitely. Good night and good luck, everyone. You too, Ellie. Have a good night, man. XDC, a huge sleeper. Yeah. If it drops, I'll be back. Yeah, mommy, no, but I'm scared happening to me. Don't panic. XRP is consolidating. Yeah, that sounds the Daker. That sounds a little interesting. I don't know, man. They obviously ghosted you. That's kind of crazy. I have Tangent and it's awesome. Okay. Code Core, what's up, buddy? How much XRP do you have? Just a little bit. Gone House speaks tomorrow. Coinbase moves 3,000. I saw that, dude. The $3 million. Yeah. Or 90. It was 97 million, I think is what it came down to, right? It's not, Nathan. That's not confirmed about the tweet. All right, Edward. Good night, man. Anyone else use AuzSOME? I think a lot of people do. How does the recovery? What the hell is it asking? Oh, you gotta. Is it your first, Chris Jones? Is it your first time downloading a wallet? You had to put a recovery phrase in. So, like a seed phrase, you got to have a recovery phrase. You got to put your seed phrase in. Is it your? Have you downloaded the wallet before? Like 20 XRP, Austin. Yeah, I have like 20 XRP. Lately, we hear about XRP, but it has been quiet. Yeah. So what do you want to do? Do you want to come over here? And this is where you can actually do your leverage. You can do your futures trading over here as well. I got FOMO at 315. Oh, it's all good, Darren. It'll come back. I'm not even sweating it at all. So I bought PWT on MetaMask. Will I be able to transfer over to Pure Wallet once it releases? Yes, Brandon. Yeah. 100%. Or you can keep it on MetaMask, right? Wherever it launches. It doesn't really matter. You know, it's a decentralized wallet. You can move it around. That decentralized wallet that you have on MetaMask, you can mirror that in you can go to SafePal and upload the same seed phrase over there and mirror that wallet over there. You don't always have to. That's what's so great about the decentralized wallets is that you can move them around to a bunch of other ones. Weird. I swear XCN was Singaporean. I have no idea. Marley, thanks so much for the $2 donation to the channel. Appreciate that a ton. Thank you guys so much. And with all that, guys, I'm actually going to be jumping off here. Appreciate everyone coming on here tonight. Appreciate everyone hanging out. Appreciate everyone looking at the pre-sale right here with Pure Wallet. Again, I put all the stuff in the description down below. Just click on the website down there. And if something that's interests you about the wallet, take a look at it. Do your own research on it. And like I said, appreciate everyone kicking it tonight. The markets are looking, actually, tell you the truth, XRP is actually coming back nicely right now. It's going to hover around this, so we'll continue to monitor it. But yeah, with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your night. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, you guys hit that subscribe button. We'll be on here tomorrow at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And since it's a late night stream, we'll throw some dudes up in the chat. Make sure you guys throw some dudes up in the chat for me. And with all that, love you guys a ton. We're out. Throw those dudes up in the chat. Peace out, everyone.